Hello friends, most welcome to another tutorial. Today I discuss that the pixel layer update with the new color, and in the layer panels the new color appears as color overlay layer effects below the layer. The only layer that this trick will not work is backgrounds layer, since backgrounds layer do not support layer effect. The color switches is add to the shape layers as a clipped solid color file layers. The color switches add a color overlay effect. See our complete guide to using layer effects in the Photoshop CC 2020. Where to go next? There we have it that look at the improved switches panels in the Photoshop CC 2020 and how easy.